Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Descript Studio, edit audio and video with AI step by step clearly. To begin, open your web browser and navigate to the Descript website. Look for the login button, usually located in the upper right corner of the home page. Click on the login button to proceed. You will be directed to the login page. Here, enter your email address associated with your Descript account. Next, input your password in the designated field. If you've forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link for recovery options. After entering your credentials, click the Login button. Once logged in, you will be directed to your Descript Studio dashboard. From here, you can create a new project by clicking on the New Project button. If you want to edit existing audio or video, select the appropriate project from your dashboard. Once your project is open, you will see options to import audio or video files. Click on the Import button to upload your media. Choose the files you wish to edit from your device and confirm the upload. The files will take a moment to process and will then appear in your project. Now, you can start editing with the AI features available in Descript. Use the transcription tools to convert your audio to text if needed. Highlight specific sections of text to cut, copy, or delete parts of your audio or video. Explore other editing tools such as overdub and filler word removal to enhance your project. Once you are satisfied with your edits, click on the Export button to finalize your work. Select your preferred export settings and download your edited audio or video. That's how you log into Descript Studio and start editing with AI. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.